What's up, guys? It's many hours later. I actually took a nap when I got home from work. So tired, but now I'm up and it's almost 9 p.m, almost 10, but the day is just getting started because I don't know why I did that. The day is just getting started because I still need to do a lot of things like clean up around the house. So that's just gonna be the rest of the video. It's just gonna be me cleaning, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. First thing we're gonna be doing is the laundry, and then we're gonna like hang them up to air dry because we don't have a dryer here, but that's what we're gonna do here. Hi, Toby. Hi, my baby girl. That's annoying. Okay. Hopefully it's dead. She was just looking at it, not doing anything, being so fucking useless, Toby. Like, why are you so useless? That is your job. Take two without the roach. But yeah, lots of stuff to clean here. My boyfriend actually just cleaned some of it already, so don't have to clean too much. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna wash the pan here, like wipe it down because you know there's a lot of oil splatter everywhere. Also, shout out to my boyfriend. He got me a kettle to like eat my cup noodles or ramen with, and I'm so happy about that. So shout out to him. Thank you so much. That is rice that I still haven't eaten it. I'm gonna make that into a fried rice so we can eat it, but no wasting here.